apparently these are not stable. Like, are you kidding? On the flattest surface I find. But there you go, it's just me. What's up YouTube? My name's Crystal, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, hello. I'm sorry if you can hear the lawnmower in the background. Okay, so I feel like I don't ever look presentable enough on here, and I guess someone else agreed and decided to leave me a lovely comment. Yeah, if you understood why I look the way I look half the time, you might not have commented your comment, but look, I don't care. I understand your opinion. I've got it told before, but just to clear it up, I don't, so... Anyway, so in today's video, I thought I'd do a glam get ready with me and show you what I use and how I do it, I guess. I did a fox eye kind of glam tutorial, which is this. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna start with brows and just put in some Essence, I love this stuff, Essence Clear Brow Gel to put my eyebrows up so then I can see where to fill them in easier. Then I got this new, only from the supermarket, the Maybelline Ultra Slim in, they only had one colour there, it was soft brown. So that's what we're doing because I literally had nothing and it was when the restrictions were on and the supermarkets were only open. So I just got this. Okay, it's, yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to fill them in. Oh, it looks pretty good to be honest with you. I think I might just grab my mirror for a second. I like this actually. Okay, this sucks. I don't know if you can see properly. I'm gonna literally just keep filling in this brow, and if you can't see, I'm sorry. Okay, I got one. I'm just gonna do the other one too off the camera maybe because the angles are great. Alright, eyebrows done. They took extremely long. But next, I am going to wet my beauty blender because I never fucking do it. I'm gonna spray it with spray. Fuck it, I don't give a fuck. I'm so bad at this recording shit. Look at the background, that's awful. Little beauty blender and my Tarte Shape Tape in there, obviously. I'm just gonna put that on my lids, just a tiny bit, because this shit spreads. Look, it's all hidden. Where'd it go? That's sick. Alright, I'm just gonna set that with, I normally use something different, but fuck, I need to clean my brushes. Well, I'm gonna use this brush first just so I can set this. I'm just using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in Peach Glow 03. This stuff's great for all over your face, so. Good as, we got a base on there, la la la. Sit here and quickly clean these brushes. Well, I guess I should say for cleaning my brushes on the go, I honestly just use the e.l.f. what is this? e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleansing Spray. And it's great. I just grab a towel, you spray it on the brush, and I spray it on the towel a little bit too. And then just go in circular motions. So I've got green on them, I'll show you. I have green on these and purple from my Beetlejuice makeup inspired book. I know, gross, I took a little while to clean them, but oh well. And this is what it just came up like. I love this stuff. I've been using it since I went to beauty school. We were doing everyone's makeup, so we had to clean our brushes in between it. This just really came in handy for me. Just dry it in the towel a little bit and then let them air dry. Works great, love it. And I've honestly filled it up with a bit of water because it was running out and it's still working great, so love that. Also, if anyone is actually wondering, I have a whole heap of mixture of brushes. I've got some e.l.f. ones, I've got some Kryolan, I don't know the brand, but I got them from beauty school as well, so it's a professional brand. Then the other ones I got are eBay dupes for Real Techniques that I got like years ago, but they're great. And then I don't know what these are, I just got them as well. They're pretty good. They're honestly just all cheap brushes, so nothing anything good. I just use whatever. 100% sure my camera's probably gonna die while I'm doing this, so I'm gonna probably pause and then come back a little bit later than like when you first saw me, if you get what I mean. Clip's gonna be a bit different, you're gonna be able to tell. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep going now. So grab I want one that's a little bit more denser, like a dome brush, and I might have them. I'm just gonna use this one. All right, here, got one, don't worry. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that I never ever use. First, okay, I'm using the Anastasia Modern Relations palette. I'm going to pick up Raw Sienna and Golden Orchard, I think, and tap the excess off. And I'm just going to be putting it in this outer third, flicking upwards with the brush, so like a wing type shape. I don't know how well I'm going to be on the camera, so I'm just going to do this in my own little mirror here. If it's on camera, it's on camera. If it's not, it's not. Sorry. So I'm also just following my lash line, the bottom one, up. And if you're wondering, I do have hooded eyes. We're gonna just pretend there's an imaginary triangle there. Track the gum pass. Either Angel or Brendan. I also don't do winged eyeliner, so this is gonna be like kind of tricky for me. So let's just pray and hope that this turns out good. Okay, this is what I've got. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, so just bear with me. I'm just going to keep playing around, and I think I'm going to leave that there and put some Cypress Umber in now. So that's just the dark brown shade in here. Oh, my cat literally just went to the toilet. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. What the fuck? I'm going to have to go, like literally go, because my cat's just shat. Like, I'm pissed. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little more. I just finished cleaning up my cat shit. Wasn't recording. I've just dipped into tempera on the palette, the lighter shade, and I've just chucked it in my inner third here so I can try to blend it out. I don't know how the fuck this is looking. In the mirror it looks okay, but bruh. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really like struggling. It's kind of doing my head in. Can someone tell me what I'm doing wrong? I think this is hard because I have hooded eyes and I'm like learning. I think I have saved this, kind of. Not really, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, so don't ask. Yous aren't. Don't worry. My camera's gonna go flat. I might try to play around with this, see how I go, and come back when my camera's charged. I didn't want this to fail, I wanted this to go good, but whatever. See you guys. I'm not gonna get mad. Okay, sorry, hello, I'm back. My camera's charged a little bit. I fucked around with this eye too, and this is as good as we're gonna get, and I'm gonna try and match it on the other side and make it a little bit poppier, but yeah, this is what we got. I'm just gonna do what I did here on this side now. It took me a long time, so let's hope we can not take so long this time. So I'm gonna take Raw Sienna and Golden Orchard again, follow from that bottom lash line and flick up. Don't just put the product there, flick it. I found with my hooded eyes this is like extremely difficult, so kind of just messed around with it till I felt like it was right, and I feel like this is going to be extremely difficult to try and get back to the same as this one on the other side. Wow, this is going to be trucko. Oh, I forgot that I have this mirror. That's so much better. Good base. And then literally just jump into the Cypress Umber. It's so dark. My arm's getting sore. I've got like two different fox eyes. This one, this one. I can't see out of one. Sorry, I'm so gross. I don't know how anyone could ever like me. They don't. How am I like, how's this sliding looking pretty shit? And I know you're gonna have the tractor in the background, so I'll probably put music over the top of this anyway, so. Sorry about my background. I'm sorry about my bedroom. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the camera angles. Camera's good. I'm honestly just having fun. I think I like that one. It's so like chill and subtle. I like it, but fuck it, let's just keep going. My feet are going numb because I'm having to sit on them. That's always fun. Going in Cypress Umber again. Same brush. Yay, that looks good. Okay, I have done both eyes now. Off camera, I also tried putting eyeliner on to do the fox catty hearts in the middle, but since I don't know how to use eyeliner, liquid eyeliner properly, I couldn't do it neatly, so I skipped that, stuff that. I'm going to start off with my Grape moisturizing spray, obviously. I'm gonna put on a headband. It might look weird, but I need to keep my hair on my face. I'm going to use two foundations today, both drugstore. So the first one is Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage in, I don't know what the fuck, but this one. And then I'm also going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Too Much Super Blend Foundation in Ivory Rose. So I'm going to probably use a brush because I just want I want like a smoother finish. I'll just put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to warm it up. Not really, I don't need to. Just going to stickle that on the back of my hand. Do the ears, make sure you always get the ears. Now, I always skip doing underneath my eyes because I'm going to be putting concealer there, obviously. Down the neck. Just going to pick up the rest of it and put it on my head. Or wipe it on my head. Whoa. I need more. Next, I'm going to put concealer on. I'm just looking in my mirror as well, so if it looks weird, sorry. Put on a little bit much, but that's okay. This stuff like blends that freaking well. I don't know where my little beauty blender is. My cat probably has it. That's not good. Okay, no, we're just gonna use this, or it will set. So I went to beauty school for like 6 months, but I didn't exactly sit down afterwards and do a heap of makeup, which I should have because that just builds up your skills, doesn't it? So I didn't do that, unfortunately. But I've just still always done it and kept going and done it the way I kind of like, watch tutorials and yeah. So I'm going to try and make this my first tutorial, even though I struggle with it. But look, I've got a little bit on my belt knowing what I'm doing, so... And I've got hooded eyes, so I was honestly just trying out a new style.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you going?
Yeah, good.
I tried to give you a break before I start mowing.
It's nice.
I'm
just going to set my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Press Powder. I'm using it's one of the Crayola, that's what I always call it now. Krylon powder brushes, #1. Next, I'm using the Face of Australia Gamazon Contour Kit. Honestly, got this at Big W on sale. It's just a contour and highlight kit. So yeah, I'm gonna just contour my face though. Okay, bronzing done. On the same brush, we're going to do blush from Natio. It's Rosewood colour. I just like it. It's a neutral blush. I'm like a naturally like red girl, so I like to kind of go ham with it. Always put some on the top of your nose. It just looks natch. And I always just put some in the peaks, like that, because I don't know, I just always get kind of red there, so I like to put some there. I might finish the underneath of my eyes and come back to my highlight. Oh, I was meant to put highlight on underneath, but stuff it. I'll put on powder now. I might actually put my plumping lip gloss on. I've got a coloured one. It's just a sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump lip gloss. Normally has the colour, I don't know, can't tell, but it's like the brownish one. I'm gonna put it on. What you doing? Can you see him? Kind of. Alrighty, underneath of my eyes, I'm gonna grab this little pencil brush. It is another Krylon blending brush #6, and I'm gonna use like raw sienna and golden orchid together. So I just pop that down, a little bit of colour under there. It's not really matching. I picked up a bit of Cypress Umber and I'm putting it with Tempura, which is the lightest shade. Okay, I'm actually really happy with that. I might put some more in the corner because I want it to be popping. I might put the Vermeer. Alrighty, that's good too. Now, I feel like I want to put black eyeliner underneath my eyes because I didn't do the middles, like the inner corners. So I'm going to put black on the lower lash line. I haven't done this since like 2013. Cool. Next one. And this is just from Glow Minerals. Micro eyeliner, it's just in black. obviously. Everyone's done the inner corners and I just don't know how to. It feels stupid. I feel like I can't put this up there. Okay, she did something there. Look. Wow, okay. I'm actually super confused as into how I did that on the camera just then with you guys. And I couldn't do it before fucking around, but there we go. This eye looks so much more sparkly in the inner corner than that one. Oh my god, what are you doing? You need to stop that. He's getting like all the bugs out of there. That's gross. I'm going to do mascara now. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volume mascara. I got a little one in a Christmas, it was like a Christmas ornament to put on your trees. How cute. Also, I don't really fuck around with false eyelashes because I can't exactly put them on the best. So I just honestly do my eyelashes. And that's why I like a really good mascara. So this one's great. Like this would look a lot better, I'm guessing, with lashes, but I just don't want to bother. It's going to be too hard for me and it'll wreck my whole look then, so that wouldn't be fun. Not a very good talker. I always have stuff I want to say to you guys, and at the moment I really like this look. I need this headband off in a second. Now highlight. So this is like another brush off eBay, don't ask me about it. I'm just going to use the highlighting colour from that same kit that I was just using before to contour my face. I'm going to put it on my nose. I'm then going to put it on the bridge of my nose. This highlight is so good, like so subtle, not glittery. Put it above my brow. Cheekbones. And because it's that fox eye look, you don't put bottom mascara on. Just keep it like this. I'm then going to put some on my cupid toe. And I am literally now done. Just want to put something on my lips actually. I'm going to use the Hailey Baldwin for Model Co.'s Bellow. It's like a lip gloss, but it's really coloured. And it smells amazing. Like when I say amazing, this smells like you want to eat it, like so bad. So don't, but it's that good. I don't think this matches at all. Like matches the headband, but not this look. Alright, my lipstick probably doesn't match. I am so bad at like picking what colour. But here you go. I'll take my headband off and I'll do a cute little, like, oh, look at the camera. Thingy. I'm gonna be, and I don't know how to really do these things, but how they do it. I have that lip plumping gloss all in my mouth. It's actually burning the crap. I really don't know how to do this. I'm sorry. What up with my hands and stuff? Like, I actually killed this. This looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a big thumbs up. I don't know how to outro, but I'm gonna go now. I should have something in all of this. So, do you like my shirt, by the way? Put it on just for the video. It's got like I actually don't know. You can see though. So cute. Oh, I also wanted to address my background. I have looked on Shein and they have a whole heap of nice like things. I've already done an order on there, so I'm just going to wait for that stuff and maybe order my background stuff soon. But just know I want to get my background changed, just as you probably hate seeing it. So yeah, let me know if you want to see anything, but I've already got a pretty good idea for the background. So see you guys, have a good one. Woo!